Ka Skulbah Mgu University, kabadan hakalaimer bernihat, hakasing sajain kaliyo ban Pynkup Burom, ya kumba sauspa kanai pelai Ngut ki Samla, haka third convocation, ki Bala Pyndep ki jingpule ki baper, bagan thup shispa asam Ngut, ki Bala Pyndep ya postgraduate, arspa andapue Ngut, ki Bala Pyndep ya graduate, bar hanyup Ngut, ki Bala Pyndep ya keran PhD, Bala Penlong auditorium hall, jong katiga Skulbah. Haka tiga jinglek Burom juga Skulbah, ki Samla pule, lawan ruk mansaki da ke jingdon lang, Ilyas Ali Padmashri Awardi ku Mukongsan, Dr. Jan Chopra Chancellor, Dr. Debra Tadas Vice Chancellor, bat kiwe ki krau perkhat, bat kinong syakot sengubha na kiwe Skulbah.
Prasad, the Chancellor, and Dr. Subhash Bhawmi, the Vice Chancellor, and also Mrs. S.K. Cohen, the Registrar.
Sir.
Exemplary work in NSS field. Actually, I have to call Dr. Hanishwar Kalita and Dr. Banithanath. I'm so. First one is Naradala.
Today at Mahatma Gandhi University, its third convocation program, we have awarded 493 degrees to the student, out of which there are 154 are postgraduate, 78 are PhD, and remaining are graduate degrees. So congratulations to all the graduates for their future endeavor. Thank you very much.
I would like to say that I work on population of explosion of the country, particularly Assam, even I work in Meghalaya also. Once Mahatma Gandhi said, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Again I repeat, the best way to find yourself, to lose yourself in the service of others. So, I request all the graduates who have already achieved their education goal, and they should work for the betterment of the state, betterment of our country, with dedication. Each of you, the graduating class of 2019 and 2023, represent the culmination of your years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Again, I say, your work of dedication, perseverance, has given you the achievement. You have overcome numerous challenges, both academic and personal, to reach this milestone. But remember, your journey does not end here. It is merely the beginning of the new chapter in your life. So, this is the beginning of your new life.